Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna show you how I paint my roses and I'm gonna show you the technique I use. You're gonna need a round brush, white paint and blue paint or any color. So we're gonna start with a circle. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's just for your guide. Now in the center of that circle add 3 lines like a triangle. Keep adding petals around that triangle. When I do my roses, I usually put a lot of pressure at the beginning of the petal and then less pressure at the end, just like that. If the base, the blue color, is still a little bit wet, you add a little bit more white to it, it should blend beautifully. Hope this tutorial makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and see you next time.